Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the content in your site's widget areas. Now first let me show you what the widget areas are. So on the home page you've got a few different widget areas. This area right here is a widget. This area right here is a widget. You have another one right here, another one right here, and the quote request area is actually a widget. Then you have 4 more widgets down here in each of these columns. So to edit that content, you want to log into the back end of your website, click on or you can hover over Appearance and then click on Widgets. If you've already read this text, you can dismiss this. So your widgets are along the right side of the screen. The sidebar home widget is where the quote request shows up. Now you don't have to do anything with this one. You can simply just leave this box right here. Now the sidebar page also shows the quote request form, and this is the sidebar for each page. You can add new widgets to these widget areas, but I would definitely leave the quote request form in there so you make sure you have the quote request form on each page of your website. If you wanted to, for example, offer a discount or a sale to your customers, you can drag in a text widget and add a title, and then add the content of the widget. Okay, and then click Save. And you can close this. So now you see right under the quote request form is where it's going to display this text that I just added. So I'll show you on the front end of the site what that looks like. So this is the home page. We don't want to show this under there. If you wanted to do that, you'd add it to the home page sidebar. So let's go to one of our pages. Now you can see right under the quote request form on the sidebar here, you have the text that we just added. Now you can add pictures in there, you can make it look nicer than just this, but basically if you added a title, here's what the title would display, and then here's where the content would display. Let's go back to the back end of the site. I'm going to go ahead and delete this and show you the other areas. So the sidebar on the blog page, you've got the home page slider area, and that is this area right here. You've got the home page feature top area, and that is this area right here. You have the homepage, the feature homepage left area, which is right here. This will be the right, as you can see right here. And then you have each footer widget, and that is the columns right here. So to edit any of this content, your site will already come preloaded with some of this content in here. So for example, the homepage feature top, it's just a quick sentence here with the phone number. And you'll see this little code right here throughout your site where it just says phone number. Don't worry about replacing that with your actual phone number. As long as you put your phone number in the main settings area, your phone number will automatically display right there. So you don't have to worry about taking any of those out. So let's just say you wanted to edit some of this content right here in the Why Choose Us section. And you can feel free to add anything to this content, edit the content, change it so it's not saying, why choose us. You can do anything you want here. So that's going to be the second footer widget. So footer widget 2. And you can see here that the title is Why Choose Us. It's a text widget. If you open that up, you see all of the content here. So as you can see, there's more of these little code pieces here, and you don't have to change those to anything. That'll automatically display your business name right there. That'll automatically display the main city you service, and so forth. You can edit any of this text just by clicking in here and changing any of the text around. Make sure when you're done, you click save, and then go ahead and close the widget. So these are all of your widget areas. You can edit any of that content, make it your own. And that's how you edit the widget areas on your site.